blow, it makes surround sounds. Pussycat on my lap, push it back and go to town, down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns. I done came back around like a nigga selling crack in pounds. I got a bag now, but it's nothing to brag about. Gun blast in the background, I'm a black man with the bloodhounds. Mac 10 making love sounds to a bad chick. She from uptown, I'm from down south, not a loudmouth, we can fuck around.
Ну что, друзья, очередной октябрьский выезд. Вышло солнышко, это значит, надо выехать катнуть. Как там говорят, держак уже не торт, но аккуратненько ездить все еще можно. И какой же кайф после недели перерыва выкатиться, бля, что здесь происходит? И немножечко газануть по Москве, по дорогам общего пользования.
Yo, now everybody welcome me back like I'm Carter. It's 90s ugly, I'm in the mirror like Shubba. America's most blunted. Cheech and Chong say I'm done dada. I'm bounty hunter for the sour ama. Hit your hood, I'm in pocket high, get around. I'm on my toes like a midget in a urinal. Whoever you connect, boy, better tell him I'm looking for the killer. I'm trying to catch a felon.
I'm looking for who's selling. Mary cooking my cerebellum. I pin and tell him my artist war, Machiavelli. My day 7, see what you smelling is me and Helen. You see that 7 on 7 C's, call me Magellan. Or call a Reverend, Mac 11 and split your melon. If that'll get him a honeydew in a split second. America's most, put us both in the smoke section. With no sticks and no seeds and no exception.
I'm like, yeah, you know I roll like. I'm like, this nigga got it, yo.
Yeah, and then we smoke that.
Now everybody say, da-da-da-da-da. I'm like, yeah, you know I roll like. I'm like, this nigga got it, yo.
Yeah, and then we smoke that.
Big City, smack that.
Hey, blunt brothers, you got the herb, the blunt covered. You came to beef with a butter knife that don't cut it. Just cold busted, wild style when I cold crush it. The Giller House got a Giller monster, cold blooded. You already, I rub it, Reggie, I don't puff it. We like De Niro and Joe Pesci, but low budget. Bunch of buzz killers, buzz buzzers, they asking how you do it. Ain't no Nike to
hey, yo,
it, I
Meth,
just
I got
does it.
that granddaddy and I'm listening to Bob Marley. I tear the roof off the porch like it's house party. I got the new edition, that green homie, it's a killer. Ralph, Ricky, Mike, Bobby, Ronnie, and Johnny. Niggas say they got gas, but it's all gas. They talking like a podcast, nigga, all ass. I never share and I don't pass the clip, cause that shit on his lip got some shit on his lip, nigga. I'm like, yeah, you know I roll like. I'm like, this nigga got it, yo.
Yeah, and then we smoke that.
Now everybody say, da-da-da-da-da. I'm like, yeah, you know I roll like. I'm like, this nigga got it, yo.
Yeah, and then we smoke that.
Big City, smack that. Hey, yo, look, this weed I got, bruh, I swear on my mama I can see the future. The hood say I got kush with diamonds. I'm at court in marijuana pajamas. The judge said, you smoke bud? I'm like, yeah, your honor. I got the plug, so my homie got it on the low. Cause I'm looking at your O's, nigga, like, what are those? I got a party in LA. If I run out of bud, I need more like Booty Ray, nigga.
Oh, in my French, I'm so international. This is Doc and Meth, Jim Fumin, Sacre Bleu. The skunk on me, mon ami, pet le vieux. Call your nephew and that's how I get me up with you. This is Vex on me, more energized, no rest for me. No positive without negative, more or less, homie. The best bud in the West on me, no stress on me. Protect your neck, cause me and Brody got necks
I'm
on
like,
me.
yeah, you know I roll like. I'm like, this nigga got it, yo.
Yeah, and then we smoke that.
Now everybody say, da-da-da-da-da. I'm like, yeah, you know I roll like. I'm like, this nigga got it, yo.
Yeah, and then we smoke that.